This is this is what you would call beautiful horror in nature, or horrifyingly beautiful nature. Just check this fucking shit out. You know, yesterday was the eclipse. If today is the rApTuRe, we're fucked. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get saved by God if he is real. I mean, I'm not horrible, but I'm not exactly a good person either, so... I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of us are going to hell. Man, the weather's fucking wildin' out here. It's fucking wildin'. I'm just gonna record this for a while till, like, the downpour gets too bad. Or the sun, like, goes off in the horizon. This is gorgeous and terrifying. This is, like, horrifying beauty. Horrifying beauty. Or beautifully horrific. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I think it's all happening over there. Bro. Catching lightning on camera. Oh shit. Alright, yeah, the pour's getting... One last final. Alright, but alright, the pour's getting bad. Alright, see ya.